Please click on the subscribe button and click on the bell icon to get the latest notifications.
Hello everyone, it's me JB from UniqueTutorials. As we all know that the Google Chrome web browser and the Mozilla Firefox web browser for our computers have some hidden features, but most of the common users may not know what are its hidden features and how we can find it. So in this video, I will show how to find the hidden features of Google Chrome and Mozilla Firefox web browsers. So without any further more delay, let's begin. Firstly, we'll start with the Google Chrome web browser. When we launch or run Google Chrome web browser, we can see its user interface. Now what you need to do is on the address bar, just you need to type Chrome colon slash slash flags. After typing these commands, just hit enter. Now here you can see its experiments. It's written warning experimental features ahead. By enabling this feature you could lose browser data or compromise your security or privacy. Enable features apply to all users of this browser. Interested in cool new Chrome features? Try our beta channel. So here you can see all the hidden features where you can configure and customize your Google Chrome web browser. So let's give you one example. Like suppose I want this page to be in dark or any web page to be dark by default. So let's find here the dark mode. So here you can see the forced dark mode for web content. That means you can make any web pages or force any web pages to show. So what you need to do, just click on this default option. Here you can see enable. Just click on it. Now you can see in the below it's written a relaunch. Just click on it. Voila, it's not it. It's so easy. Now you can see let's try a web page. See, we'll go to the Google. So here you can see it's converted almost every pages or forced every web pages to be in the dark. I'm sure it will be very useful for you if you're fond of a dark mode. So let's try something by finding, say, we'll check what other pages. So definitely you can see all the pages that is converted into dark. If you don't need it and want to convert it to the default white pages, just move back to that page. Just click on default and just relaunch. Voila, it's moved back. In this menu you can toggle many things like whatever you need depending upon your needs. So in this way you can customize, configure your respective web browsers. So let's move to the second browser, that is the Mozilla Firefox web browser. So similarly in this also, what you need to do, in the address bar you need to type about colon and you need to type config. After typing this command and the address bar, click or press enter on your keyboard. Here you can see a message, this might void your warranty. Don't worry, it will not void your warranty, just it's warning you. Changing this advanced setting can be harmful to stability or increasing if you're very scared of security. Still you can perform this without modifying anything. So just click after this, I accept the risk. Now you can see functions here. So suppose you can find all the functions related. You can change its value to true or false slash by double clicking it. Let's say here also we want a dark mode. Just type on the search bar. Here you can come to dark mode. The dark mode is already applied. Just by you can click, if you don't need a dark mode, you can click, double click the mouse, double click again to convert again. This is the simplest way, the way how you can find the hidden features inside the Google Chrome and the Mozilla Firefox web browser. I hope you find it useful, and please do support our channel by subscribing our channel. And lastly, thanks for watching.